His Excellency, Mr. President, will be meeting with the President of Brazil, President de Silva. He will be meeting with the German Chancellor Olaf Scholz. He will be meeting with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He will be meeting with the South Korean President Yeol, and a few other heads of state on the sidelines of the G20. Of course, as is the custom, Mr. President will also be meeting with the Nigerian community in India, and he will also, of course, provide a set of remarks to the entire summit involving, of course, all heads of state present and many other industry and business leaders from around the world. To this end, His Excellency, Mr. President, will be meeting with a cross-section of heads of state, as well as industrial leaders, titans, chief executive officers of some of the world's most valuable companies, particularly those of Indian origin. His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, will be hosting a CEO roundtable, which will be made up of more than 20 chief executive officers of major industries across multiple sectors of the Indian economy, to ensure that we leverage on their interest in investing in the country in such a way that suits the industrialization initiative of the Renewed Hope agenda of Mr. President.